Potensic RID Quick Start Guide. Open the package. Take out the product and accessories. Pull out the dustproof plug. Connect device with a USB charger or power bank via the Type-C cable to start charging. Charging with device off. LED 1 will be solid yellow, and LED 2, LED 4 will flash white sequentially. After the charging is completed, all the LEDs will turn off. Charging with device on. LED 1 will display the color of the device status, while LED 2, LED 4 will flash white sequentially. After the charging is completed, all the LEDs will stay solid on. Long press the power button to turn on the device. Connect the device with your computer via the USB cable. Open the Remote ID Management System page with Chrome or Edge browser. Click the Allow Connection button. Select RID 916 device in the pop-up window. Click Connect. Once connected, you are ready to write the data. Firstly, choose your current region. Please write the relevant data according to local regulations. Click the Write button when finished. Then it's completed. In Japan, you can use the DIPS app to write data. When you need to modify the written data, click the Clear to clear the written data. Then you can rewrite the new data. If the Remote ID Management System page indicates that a new firmware version is available, please click Upgrade and wait for the process to complete. Do not disconnect the device during the upgrade process. After the upgrade is done, the device will restart automatically. There are 3 methods to install the RID module. 3M tape. Attach the 3M tape to the bottom of the device, non-logo side. Attach the device to the drone. 3M dual lock. Attach one side of dual lock to the bottom of the device. Attach another side of dual lock to the drone. Then fasten both sides of the 3M dual lock together. Action camera mount. If the drone has an action camera mount, you can use 3M tape to attach the provided action camera mount to the bottom of the module. Then install it on the drone. During the installation, make sure that the logo of RID module facing upwards. Do not block the GPS antenna of the drone. Meanwhile, avoid colliding with the propellers. Long press the power button to start the device. Once powered on, the device will automatically enter the satellite searching mode. LED 1 will flash green slowly. When LED 1 stays solid green, it indicates that the satellite search is completed. Now the RID module is able to broadcast normally. Before starting the flight, short press the power button once. RID module will update the takeoff point. LED 1 will flash cyan slowly. When LED 1 stays solid green, indicates that the takeoff point has been successfully updated and you can start the flight. To view the broadcast data, you can download some apps to connect to the RID module. Drone Scanner or Open Drone ID for Android only, and so on, where you can view information broadcast by the module in real time.